we had a review and we had a strategy of how to take on this corrupt government. म्हाका खात्री आहा की 3 दिसाची असेंब्ली सेशन जे स्वाते तेमी कटेल केल्या इज अ बजेट सेशन आनी I fail to understand the general view was why when they have a brute majority of 33 they fail with the few numbers that we have in the opposition. But म्हाका एक खात्री आहा जे प्रश्न गोंयचे with regards to scarcity of water, with regards to bad roads, with regards to the financial crisis, with regards to crime, law and order, rapes, murders, yes, सगळे जरी तर चोयल्यार the recruitment scam, all this, if we look at all these things, it is clear that we will, as an opposition, we will put this government on the mat. So all these issues, especially we together, as Goenkar will fight against this government that is of Sharmas and the Vermas. We called the RG MLA. It is my duty as opposition MLA to call everyone, but he didn't turn up.